I'm going to show you some easy passing chords you can use today in the key of C sharp. Oh, Omemma. We're going to go down. Oh, this so no no no. Ma. So what I did Omemma. You live in 99. Oh da da da. Oh me. So what I did Omemma. So I made it major. So 99. Oh da 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 da. Omemma. Usually people go to the 5. So instead of me going to the 5 directly, I went down a semitone and I made it major. It's major 9. Yeah, this major 9. So let's keep going. Omemma. 99. Da 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 da. So what I did Omemma. You live in 99. So this is one of those passing chords. So I'll leave a video card. I've already talked about this chord. Is a major, a sharp 11 13, major 13 sharp 11. So this is an application. So a flat 7 over a 1, and then if you want, you can play 2 5 as if it's in the key of F sharp, La Sol, or in the key of C sharp. So La Sol. So Omemma. You live in 99. Oh no 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 no. Oh me. Da-da. So this is like a diminished chord. Anytime you're trying to go to a 1 chord, you can play the diminished chord. So amazing grace, how sweet the sound that I see a rich like me. I want. Very easy chord. So Omemma, you live in 99. Oh, Omemma. So let's try something. You live in 99. You can try something like this. So I do something like this. So I'm doing 5 minor, my left hand, right hand, and then to the next chord, left hand, right hand, left hand. You live the 99. So let's try something. Omemma, you live. So let's try to replace our 1 chord with a 3 chord. Oh, Omemma, you live in 99. Da, 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 da. Omemma 3. You need. So let's try to replace that 3 chord with a minor 11. So Omemma, you live in 99. Da 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 da. Omemma, you live. You 99. Da 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 da. Omemma, you live the 99. So what I do, I replace my 3 chord with with a minor 11. And then I also replace the 5 chord with a major 7 or major 9. Yeah, major 9. So, let's try to replace our 1 chord with a sharp 11. So we can try something like this. So, Omemma, you leave the 99. Da 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 da. Omemma, you leave the 99. Da 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 da. Oh. So that is it. So let's try something. Let's try to play a 4, 5, 6 in the key of E. So a 4, 4, 5, 6, but 6 major. So let's try that in the key of C. C sharp, sorry. Omemma, you leave the 99. All the da da da. Omemma. That's very good. So we can try something like this. Omemma. By the way, if you're enjoying the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of this tutorial on your homepage, I recommend to subscribe. It's so crazy, but 60% of 60% of people that watch my content are not subscribed to my content, which is insane. So that means you're getting free value, but you don't want to subscribe. Don't worry, I'm looking at you guys. So let's try. Omemma, you leave the 99. Oh, da 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 da. Omemma. See what I did? I did Omemma. So this again is that 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. So let's say in the key of G sharp. So a 4, 4, 5, 4, 5. So 4, 5, 3. I'm going to leave a link for that video in the description. So it's a very nice chord. So you leave the 99. Na 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 na. Oh, me. So what I did? Omemma, you leave the 99. Da 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 da. Omemma, na 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 na. Da da da. 2, 4. Omemma. 6. You leave the 9. 1. Da 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 da. 2. Omemma. 4. 6. You 99. 2. I like this kind of substitutions because they always remind me of the R&B type of beats. R&B. So what did I do? I replaced my 4 chord with the 2 chord, and I replaced my 1 chord with the 4 chord, and I replaced my 5 chord with the 6 chord. I replaced my 6 chord with a 1 chord. 3 weeks ago, I dropped a video on a chord substitution that a chord formula that you can use to substitute chords, which makes sense. So the formula was, so this is the formula. So basically, anytime you're supposed to play a 5 chord, you can choose to play a 6 chord. A 5 chord, you can play a 6 chord. If you're supposed to play a 4 chord, you can play a flat 7, or you can play a 2 chord. And then you're supposed to play a 3 chord, you can play a 1 chord. This formula. So Omemma, you leave the 99. Oh, na 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 na. 2. Omemma 4. You leave the 99. Da, na, 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 na. Omemma. So let's try something. You leave the 99. Da, na, na. You need da, na, na, na. Na, 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 na. Sorry. Omemma, you leave the 99. No, you know like this. Oh, to. That's what I do. Oh, ma. So if 462 or if 432, but if 4 2 4 6 2 in the key of F sharp, but I'm playing the key of C sharp. So Omemma, you leave the 99. So what do I do? Omemma, you leave the 99. So 4 3 2 to go to the 4 chord. So yeah, that's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like, and if you like to sound more advanced, check out my piano course. It's going to be the top link in the description. And if you like to keep learning more from me, check out this video right here.